I'm going to show you how to replace the blade on a saw in this video. So most saws or all saws should come with an Allen wrench. This one is right here. You just take it off and then probably wouldn't be a bad idea to take the battery out so that just in case you pull the trigger, that way there's no power. And then you want to find this button back here. That'll lock the blade. Push that in, and then that'll lock the blade in place. And the thread on these is opposite of what normal, so you would have to go clockwise to loosen it, counterclockwise to tighten it. So you stick your Allen wrench in there, you just turn it, take the bolt off, and that's how you take the blade off. And then the new one should come with protective plastic over it to prevent cutting. Either way, once you have that off of there, you take your blade and then you just do the whole process again, just the opposite way. Put your washer back on, and then the bolt. On this saw, you got to remember to turn it counterclockwise to tighten it. And there you go. That's all there is to it. And then put your keyway, and that's it.